Okay, now we're gonna skip ahead and talk about some special cases. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is perfect squares. So we have 5x minus 3 squared. Now, just like 3 squared equals 3 times 3, 5x minus 3 squared equals 5x minus 3 times 5x minus 3. Now, the biggest mistake that I see here is that people will try and cut the corners and make things go faster by just squaring both the numbers and writing 25x squared minus 9. That is all wrong. It is all bad. And in fact, it is against math law. So don't do that, okay? So let's erase that guy. Let's get it off our paper because it's wrong. And let's do it the correct way. So here's the correct way, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to create a box, just like before. And we're going to put one binomial on the top and one binomial on the side. So 5x and negative 3. Now we're just going to multiply them together just like we did before. So 5 times 5, that gives me 25. X times x is x squared. Now 5x times negative 3 is negative 15. Keep the x. On the bottom here we have another negative 15. Keep the x. And negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Now just like before, our diagonals are like terms and we're going to combine them. So we end up with 25x squared minus 30x plus 9. Now this is what's called a perfect square trinomial because the first and last terms are perfect squares. 25 is a perfect square and so is 9. And also because it's what you get when you square a binomial. Now go ahead and try it. And then I'll see you back to talk about difference of squares.